We are pleased to show you the 2016 Ford Focus. Focus has more cool tech, more of what you're looking for. From any point of view, more than meets the eye. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: aluminum wheels, brake assist, traction control, stability control, engine immobilizer, driver illuminated vanity mirror, front disc and rear drum brakes, front wheel drive, integrated turn signal mirrors, rear parking aid. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.